Welcome to the most unique tiny house on wheels. This one-of-a-kind home features a stunning bubble-shaped living room with a massive window, letting in endless natural light and breathtaking views. The cozy kitchenette blends seamlessly into the space, making it perfect for compact yet comfortable living. Wrapped in beautiful wooden panels, this tiny home sits on a lush green landscape complete with a charming wooden deck for relaxing outdoors. Get ready to explore this extraordinary tiny house design. Let's dive in. Step inside this uniquely designed tiny house where creativity meets functionality in the most stunning way. This is not just any compact home. This tiny house features a bubble-shaped living room, offering a spacious and futuristic feel while blending seamlessly with a cozy interior. The highlight of this space is the large window, flooding the room with natural light during the day and providing a breathtaking view of the surroundings. Whether you are relaxing with a book, enjoying your morning coffee, or simply taking in the beauty of nature, this panoramic window creates an open and airy atmosphere that makes the space feel much bigger than it actually is. The interior is finished with white rustic plain paint, adding a modern yet cozy charm to the space. The carefully selected color palette gives the home a warm and inviting feel, making it perfect retreat for relaxation. And when the sun goes down, well-placed artificial lighting ensure the home remains well lit, enhancing the ambience with a soft, soothing glow. Now let's explore the kitchenette. Designed for both style and efficiency, though compact, it includes all the essential sleek countertop, a built-in sink, and just enough storage to keep everything organized. Whether you are preparing a quick meal or brewing a fresh cup of coffee, the kitchen setups provide both convenience and comfort without taking up too much space. Moving upwards, we have the loft bed, accessible via a stylish yet practical staircase. The loft bed maximizes vertical space, creating a dedicated sleeping area while keeping the lower level open and spacious. The stairs not only lead to the loft but also serve a hidden storage compartments, making smart use of every inch of space. This innovative design ensures that the home remains clutter-free while maintaining its sleek and minimalist aesthetic. With its bubble-shaped architecture, large window, loft bed, and rustic clean interior, this tiny house is proof that small space can still feel luxurious, open, and functional. Whether you are looking for a full-time tiny home or a weekend escape, this unique design offers an apparel living experience. Welcome to one of the most innovative and beautifully designed tiny house bathroom you've ever seen. This is not your ordinary compact bathroom. This space features a bubble-shaped design, creating a truly futuristic and airy atmosphere. The large window allows for an incredible amount of natural light during the day while offering a stunning view of the surrounding environment. But don't worry about privacy. There's a adjustable shade for when you need it. The interior is finished in a crisp, clean white paint, giving the space a fresh, bright, and spacious feel to enhance the ambience. Strategically placed artificial lighting ensure that the bathroom remains well lit at all times, making it both functional and inviting. The combination of natural and artificial lighting creates a serene and luxurious experience perfect for relaxation. Now let's talk about the features that make this bathroom as practical as it is beautiful. It includes a modern toilet designed to be compact yet highly efficient. There is also a sleek shower cabin with glass panels, providing a comfortable showering experience without taking up too much space. The wash basin and mirror are thoughtfully placed to maximize convenience, and the exhaust fan keeps the air fresh and prevents moisture buildup. Everything in this bathroom is designed with both style and efficiency in mind, proving that even in a tiny house, you don't have to compromise on comfort. Whether you are getting ready for the day or unwinding in the evening, this one-of-a-kind bubble bathroom offers a truly unique experience. Between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition, this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny home, especially for the interior of the tiny home. Okay, well, what's the life in a tiny home like this? Let us know in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share this video and wait for more incredibly tiny house tour in this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.